How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to tell you the 5 most important upgrades to your Sur Ron. But in this case, it's not just upgrades in general, it's upgrades in priority order. That means these are the first 5 things you need to buy when you get the Sur Ron. At least in my opinion, these are the most important upgrades, and only one of them is really expensive. The first thing that you need to do, and this is a little bit to do with safety and a lot to do with comfort, is to replace your foot pegs. Now, as you can see over here, the stock foot pegs look like this. They're not too bad. They do work, but when they get wet, they get slippery, and also the surface area is really small, so they're not as comfortable, and your boots don't stick as well to them because they're really smooth. So you're gonna want to get some foot pegs like this. They're a lot wider and a lot grippier for your shoes. These ones are specifically made for the Sur Ron, so that's probably the most important thing. The second most important upgrade is the riser handlebars. If you're like me and you're 6 feet tall with big legs and short arms, the riser bars are super important. They're probably important for everybody. I know my girlfriend is only like 5'7" or 5'8", but even these, they work perfect for her as well. You want to get your arms up so that you can lean back further, especially useful for going off of jumps. The stock ones are real nice bars. They're strong and nice, but they're too low. So you really do want that extra 3-inch rise. And some good ones to get are these Pro Taper 3-inch rise bars. I did not cut off the ends at all, so this is the full width that they come with, and those really help a lot. I did not think that I would need them that much, but once I got them, I love them. Third most important upgrade, priority order, is the grips. And this is especially a really nice upgrade because it's really cheap and really easy to do, and is a drastic improvement to what the stock ones are. Even though the stock ones aren't really that bad, but they do kind of move around a lot. So these ones are called the Pro Taper Pillow Top grips. They just slide on. I do have a separate video that shows you exactly how to do that. They slide on, they're super tight. You don't need to glue them or do anything at all. They do not move around. I think they look a lot cooler. They look beautiful. They're super comfortable, and most importantly, they're super grippy, and they really don't cost that much. So you may as well just have those ready to go to put on your bike. All right, the fourth most important upgrade in priority order is the 3 different mud guards. You got the front mud guard here. That one keeps the rain and the water off your face and your eyes, so it's pretty important. Looks cool too, that's always nice. This back one is like a little rubber thing that covers all the dirt and water, prevents it from getting on this rear shock, which is really nice because you don't want that thing getting all rusty and full of water and like broken, especially if you like upgrade it with one of the Fox ones. It's like $700. You don't want that thing getting all rusty and dirty. So this little cheap little thing here will prevent that from getting dirty. Then you don't even have to clean it, so that's a great part. And then this back one prevents dirt from getting on your back and on your head, which doesn't really matter, but I shattered the old one off, so I figured I'd just buy this extended one. And also the extended one does look way cooler than the stock one, and that's totally important. To look cool is totally important. Now, the 5th most important upgrade in priority order, and I did say that this one was going to be expensive, is the front shocks. Here I do have the RockShox Boxer Select. Just a beautiful fork. It's even more lightweight than the Fox 40. That's just gonna make the whole bike so much better and the feel so much better. Going off a jump so much better. The only downside is that it's crazy expensive. I actually had the option to buy that straight from Lunicycle, which was super nice, so I thought I'd just go for it so I didn't have to ever spend money on a fork again or mess around with that again. But I did go for it, and it's awesome, and I'm glad I did because it's sweet. All right guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.